everyone, today we are going to be making Greek spinach burgers. These are quick, easy, healthy, and they're vegetarian. For this recipe, you're going to want salt and pepper, olive oil, oregano, garlic, 2 eggs, any type of stuffing, feta cheese, some buns, and frozen spinach that is thawed, drained, and chopped. You're going to want to add your oregano into a bowl along with minced garlic, and salt and pepper. Next, you're going to want to add your dry stuffing mix, and then also some feta cheese. Then crack 2 eggs into the bowl as well. Once you have all your ingredients in a bowl, stir it up. Then form medium patties with your mix. Then heat your patties over medium heat for 5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Once they are done cooking, take them off the heat and put them in hamburger buns. Make sure to toast the buns for an even better taste. Some ways you can spice up this burger is by adding extra feta cheese, peppers, or other vegetables. Enjoy!